remain silent. Everyone, please remain silent. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around Mr. Dudley, eating, talking, reading, sleeping, or doing anything dishonorable to the court. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the judge. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Roki. We'll do Toya Denham real quick. This is the People versus Toya Denham. You can turn your video on, ma'am, and unmute yourself. Ticket number SP 1214791. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki, on behalf of Toya Denham, we ask any outstanding warrant be set aside.
Ms. Denham, say your name, please.
Toya Denham.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Denham is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Ms. Denham, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange? I'm sorry, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for October 24th at 9 o'clock. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Ms. Reynolds, you have to have a seat.
You're out, we can do Dandre Robinson. Okay, this is the People versus Dandre Robinson. Ticket number P12799. Count 1, dirty, obscure, and improperly displayed plate. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1280733. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Siroki, on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Corporal Kropick, can you state your name, sir?
DeAndre Robinson.
Go ahead, Corporal.
Corporal Kropick, badge 775, police officer for the city of Detroit.
What's your badge number?
775.
Thank you. All right, there is an offer of pleading responsible to expired plates and no proof of insurance, dismissing everything else. How does your client wish to proceed?
Mr. Robinson, do you want to accept those 2 civil infractions and have your other tickets dismissed?
Yeah.
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor. We'd stipulate to the face of the complaints for factual basis.
It's a proper causes the remaining counts to be dismissed,
So stipulated.
so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of expired place is 145, and then the no proof of insurance, that's $195. So it's gonna be a total of $340. Because this is a civil infraction that is usually due in 14 days. Can you have this paid by September 23rd?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just put it in correction. He's not here.
All right, let's see, this is the People versus, are we ready on Kaya Dallas?
Yes,
This is the People versus Kaya Dallas. Ticket number P1282537, count one expired plates, count two no proof of insurance. Count three drove a license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Stidel. He's here. Go ahead, Mr. Oki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dallas.
Ms. Dallas, say your name.
Kaya Dallas.
All right, there's an offer of expired plates and then dismissing everything else. How does your client wish to proceed?
Ms. Dallas, do you want to avail yourself of that?
Yes.
Ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Oki?
So stipulated.
So you stipulate to probable cause for remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So counts 2 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. We proceed to sentencing. There's a fine, Ms. Dallas, of $145. It's because this is a civil infraction, it's due in 14 days. So you have this paid by September 23rd.
You said $145? Yes, ma'am.
So it's due September 23rd. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can we do DeAndre Robertson, sir, you're all set.
Okay.
All right. This is the People versus Frederick Daly, ticket number P1320979, count one. I'm sorry, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Frederick Daly.
Oh, okay. State your name, Mr. Daly.
Frederick Daly.
All right, this matter is set for a trial. It was set for trial at, I think, 9 o'clock, it's now 10:16. No officer has appeared. With that, you have a motion.
Your Honor, motion is to dismiss.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Daly, you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right.
This is the People versus Monique Reynolds. Ticket number P1283927, count one, drove while unlicensed, count two, drive and register untitled vehicle, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Oh, and we're also here on ticket number P1283928, count one, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Reynolds.
Ms. Reynolds,
Hello.
state your name.
I'm Monique Reynolds.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial today. The officer's not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Reynolds, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right, this is the People versus Ryan Dudley. Ticket number SP1291946, count one, drive with revoked license, count two, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Good morning, please say your name for the record, Sergeant Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dudley.
Dudley, say your name, sir.
Ryan Dudley.
Right. Here is an offer of blockade.
So, Mr. Dudley, if you admit the civil infraction of blockading traffic, it's no points. It doesn't go on your record. Your other tickets will be dismissed, and once you pay it, you'll be done.
Okay, how much would that ticket be?
$175.
$175.
Okay, and also, on my card flyer, I was scheduled for show cause too as well, or everything is gonna be all in one?
I don't know how many
But,
tickets. I can't tell that. The court's gonna have to let you know that.
You said you have other tickets?
No, I was scheduled today also for a show cause with probation officer, Miss McCall. Cause on the flyer, that's what it said. I know I had the ticket for this day, but on the flyer it said something about the show cause today. And when I talked to her last week, she said we was gonna handle the matter all in one.
Oh, I see it.
You got that big, so called. Yeah.
Okay, what we call yours, Mr. Dudley?
So this thing, go back in the breakout room.
Just hang tight. You got it. Oh, Officer Ali, William DeBerry, I don't think he's appeared.
He appeared, I think he left. And this probably him right here, because he left. It's Mr. Dewberry, Mr. DeBerry. The caller says Judy Smith,
she's on.
unmute your device and turn on your video. Judge Mr. DeBerry left, I believe.
Dunbar. The name is Dunbar.
We're talking about DeBerry.
Oh, excuse me.
You don't have on your video, and the name on your video is wrong. Judge, he left.
All right, we can do this.
Yes, it's saying Judy Smith, I think so.
We'll call Ms. Range Hurst. This is the People versus India, Range Hurst. Ticket number P1281048, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, 21 to 25 miles per hour of supposed speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Indy Range Hurst.
Ms. Range Hurst, say your name here.
Indeja Range Hurst.
Oh, I'm sorry, Indesia, sorry about that. This matter was set for trial and I think a formal hearing at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:22, no officer has appeared. You have a motion, Mr. Roki.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Range Hurst.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the People versus Damon Dunbar.
Yes, ma'am.
343442. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P1267268. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dunbar.
Yes, you do.
Put your hand.
Hello? She said what?
You put your hand up so she.
I didn't hear you, ma'am.
Say your name, Mr. Dunbar.
Damon Webster Dunbar.
All right, so there is an offer that if you plead to driver license suspended, it'll be amended to fail to display and improper plates, which would be amended from the no insurance misdemeanor. Then the other 2 tickets would be dismissed. They're the exact same charges.
Did you understand that, Mr. Dunbar? If you plead to 1 ticket for failed display of valid license, it doesn't have any points, and 1 ticket for improper plates, your other tickets will be dismissed. Would you like to accept that?
Yes, well, yes, I have the registration and all my insurance and things at this date, ma'am.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, ma'am. I accept the plea. I understand what she said.
So you said you do have insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your
I don't like this shit.
You're not gonna be able to see that because it ain't that clear. All right, pull it up a little higher. You moving it too much. Okay, bring it back some. Dunbar, you're doing too much.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am. This is my first time. I don't know how to,
All right.
what you exactly looking for to see.
Can you see that? Okay, hold it. Can you see that?
Mr. Dunbar, bring it back half an inch closer to you. Okay, just wait a second. You got to keep it still. Pull it back to you a little bit more. No, I can't read it either. You want to take a picture of it and you can text it to me.
What does it say, Miss? When does it expire?
What's her text number?
This
When does it expire?
is, I don't,
It's right there.
Tell her the expiration date.
Yeah, read it and tell us the expiration
hey,
date.
man, what my, hold on.
Baby, you need to use my glasses.
Right, I need some glass.
If the woman next to you can read it better, have her read it, please.
Expiration date is 8/26/202.
2002, 2022?
Yes, it was actually 6-month policy, ma'am. And my birthday is like Thursday, next Thursday. And I was going to renew all of my insurance and plates and all that again.
It's not renewed now, though.
I just noticed that, man. I thought the policy had ran, she did it for a
All right.
calendar year, ma'am. But if I was to,
So let me ask you a question. Listen carefully. Do you want to set this for trial? You can have some more time?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh,
You wanna-
okay, yes, ma'am.
You want to set it for a bench trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
And you understand by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes, ma'am.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for October 24th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, Mr. Dunbar.
All right, ma'am. It'll be taken care of by then. I promise the court that. It is, so that's.
All right, so you can hang up.
Okay.
Are you already on probation for that? Oh, is it? Hold on.
Officer Thompson. Officer Thompson. You know it.
Okay, let me pull up this other case. 1 second.
Judge, now if you look at under 1:30 PM, Ryan, is your middle name Lee? I have Ryan Dudley for 1:30, and it's showing an arraignment and a hearing for unsafe driving and driving while revoked license. Mr. Dudley, is your middle name Lee?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he under 1:30.
Then he got two Goodness gracious. We also got a 130.
Is that the one we told to come back, Darnell?
No,
Yeah, he got
Okay.
cases all times today. He got show cause.
We might as well deal with all of them right
Yeah,
now.
he has 2 free trials. And
Yeah.
then, so I just pulled one of his cases. And want me to print these 2 out too?
Yeah.
Thank you, Darnell. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bell, I'm sorry.
Wow.
Did a Jerome Dean check in?
Jerome who?
Dean,
No.
oh, never mind, I gotta call this.
That's on 2 of them. Say that.
Yeah, I got 2 up here. No, I think this might be.
Darnell, do you have an iPhone?
No,
Okay.
just got rid of it.
Oh, you did?
I had too many problems with it.
I know, they're not that great, but when they sync everything between your phone and your calendar and your computer, it's pretty sweet
Yeah,
for somebody like me who's not really computer literate.
That Jerome Dean, that's a review.
Yeah, I got to call you.
Oh.
Wait, I think you already made admissions to this open alcohol in the motor vehicle. Are you on probation on this or?
Yeah, actually, I was already on probation. I was supposed to get off last year, but I mean, last time I talked to you, Judge, I know you told me to set up a payment plan as far as my tickets. That was the last thing that you wanted me to do, and I did that. I think that was 8:30. I did that 8:30 because my first payment will be received for 100.
Hold on, Officer McCall, perfect timing. You're just been burning. 'Cause you do.
Well, that's Mr. Dudley.
Good morning, Ms. McCall.
Good morning. Good morning, all. Ms. McCall, on behalf of the probation department, Your Honor.
Oh, some of these are the same cases. This is weird. He has something, 2 of the same cases set for 130 and set for 835. So he only has a total of these 3 cases. All right, we can call these. Again, the offer would be to blockade, and then we have this case from Ms. Hall. All right, this is the people. Hold on now, he just gave me the file, and now it's a bunch of stuff here.
I went through it. You got them 2 to your left. They still directions like you read them.
Oh, okay, these are.
I think you got to be on some.
Okay, okay. All right, this is the people versus Ryan Dudley, ticket number 194879652. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. I think this is the probation review. And we're also here on ticket number SP 1291946, count 1, drive with revoked license, count 2, violation of basic speed laws, drove unsafe manner. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer McCall.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael McCall, on behalf of the probation department.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Dudley.
Say your name, Mr. Dudley.
Ryan Dudley.
All right, we will start with the probation matter.
Your Honor, Mr. Dudley was placed on probation on August 15th, 2019 for 18 months. He was ordered to pay $860 in assessed fines and costs. He was ordered to probation shall run concurrent with the following cases: 19487, 9661, and 2, 19487, 9652. Defendant was ordered to complete the following outpatient treatment. He was ordered to complete the alcohol highway safety class, complete the dangerous driver simulator class, attend the victim's impact panel, random urinalysis, shall not possess any illegal substance, and complete 80 hours of community service. And at this time, Your Honor, Mr. Dudley, he has completed the victim's impact panel, the alcohol highway safety class, outpatient treatment, as well as the 80 hours of community service. And he has paid his assessed fines and costs in full on all probation matters. And the driving simulator class is no longer offered. So the probation department recommends that that class be deleted from the order. And Mr. Dudley last appeared on Zoom on June 29th, 2022. And at that time, he was instructed to enroll in the payment plan and take care of those 2 pending tickets that he has pending for today, which is associated with SP 129-19461 and 9462. And at this time, Mr. Dudley has a traffic balance of $742. He owes 4 $45 reinstatement fees, which totals $180, and he is currently enrolled in that payment plan, Your Honor. So that's where we are with the probation. And he has until December, let's see, what date was it? December 29th, 2022 to follow through with that payment plan.
Ms. Officer McCall, you said for ticket number SP 129-19461 and 2, he's already in the payment plan for each?
No, those was the tickets that he had pending for
Oh,
today.
you was, okay.
Those was the 2 tickets that he had pending for today, along with his probation
Right,
matters.
okay, right, okay. So what are you recommending for his probation?
In regards to the probation, Your Honor, he has completed all the conditions of probation. He just needs to pay the rest of the balance of his $742 along with the $45 reinstatement fee. I really want Mr. Dudley to get his license. I really want him to get it.
Well, Mr. Dudley, are you able to pay that $740?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing with the payment plan. The next due payment will be September 30th, $150.
So you are on the payment plan? You've been-
Yes, he is in
Oh,
the payment plan, and he has until December, what was it,
Okay.
December
I think December 29th, somewhere around Christmas.
29th.
All right, well then, I'm gonna close out his probation.
Okay, okay.
So your probation is closed out, Mr. Dudley, but you still got these 2 matters we need to deal with. So, the court is, the offer is blockading for the violation of basic speed law and then dismissing the driver's revoke license. It is gonna be $175 fine for this.
Okay, question, could that be added as well to the payment plan, or like that, I had to handle that individually?
May have to handle it individually.
Yeah.
It is because it's a civil infraction, it would be due in 2 weeks. But I could give you another 2 weeks if you needed it. So I can give you till October 7th.
Okay, yeah, that'll work.
So you
What
can
was
take
that date again? October, so I can write that down?
You do October 7th.
October 7th, okay. And you said 175?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with that, Mr. Roki, you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
right, the court will amend that count to blockading, and then you stipulate the probable causes for the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
That's dismissed without prejudice. And it's, again, we'll proceed to sentencing. It's a fee fine of $175 due on October 7th.
Okay,
And so you are, I think that is all, that's it. You're on your way to
Mhm.
getting your license back, but you just gotta make sure you are consistent with paying this, on the payment plan. And you pay this fine, because if you don't pay for this civil infraction, this 175, this isn't gonna close out, and it's gonna go in default, and then you're gonna incur like late fees and all that.
okay, so would I see you again with October 7th?
No, you just gotta make sure you pay it. You don't have to come back.
Okay,
So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
all right, thank you, and thank you, Ms. McCall.
Well, no problem, Mr. Dudley. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor, and have a good
You have a nice
weekend.
weekend, everybody.
You too,
Hold on
Mr.
one second,
Roki.
Mr. Roki. Let me call this real quick. This is
Oh,
people
no.
versus Dean, ticket number U41262317. Count one, disorderly conduct. Say your name, Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
All right. If he has complied with the terms of the 3-month delay sentence, this matter is closed out.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a good weekend, Mr. Roki.
All right, you guys. Take care, everybody.
Okay, you too.
Thanks.
Where'd she go?